Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the logo maker. Simply go to your dashboard and click the logo maker button, and this will launch the logo maker wizard. First things first, enter your brand name. I'm going to create a logo for my home ornaments brand called Owl's Den. In this step you need to select the words and phrases that best describes your brand. Thinking about the brand that I want to develop, which are basically home ornaments with a bit of a fun twist, I'll select fun and thematic, in your face bold, and fresh and trending. That's it. I'm done here. If you don't know what keywords to select, you can always skip this step. And in this step, you need to select the colors that best fit your brand's profile. Do remember that these are not going to be your final colors of your brand. They're simply going to refine the search results on the final step. So for this brand, I'm going to select teal, blue, and white. If you don't know what colors to select, again, you can always select the skip button. And in this final step, I can select an icon. There's various presets of icons displayed here, such as trending, abstract, animals, and flowers. These are just examples in case you don't know what to select. In this instance, for my Owl's Den logo, I want to find something that's owl related. So I'll simply go to the search bar and type in owl. So as you can see, I have a variety of selections of owl-based icons. I quite like this one. It's really simple and it's quite unique, and it best fits my product. Now remember, if you don't want an icon for your logo, you can simply skip this step. So now we're in the final step. This is where you can preview your brand, and you can also tweak it if you need to. Based on my choices in the previous steps, I got a range of suggested fonts displayed for me. I can go through this and select the perfect font for my brand. I quite like this one. It's fun, it's really friendly, and it's perfect for my brand. You can always scroll down to check out the various other application and mockups of your brand. If I'm not happy with any of the suggested fonts, I can always search the Google Fonts library. Google Fonts gives access to hundreds of free licensed fonts. Next up, let's tweak the icon. Simply click icon. You can remove the icon if you wish, or you can replace it with a new icon if you're not happy with the current one. You can also change the icon size by clicking these buttons here. And if you want to make the icon a bit closer to your text, you can tweak the icon text space. Next up, we have the colors. You can either select a custom color palette by selecting custom and selecting the individual color swatches and selecting a custom color. The other option is to select the range of suggested colors that have been handpicked based on my selections in the previous step. So you can try any of these colors to see which one is the perfect match. I think I'm happy with this one. Again, it's really simple, but it's also got a touch of vibrancy with the bright yellow, and the blue and the yellow really complement each other. Perfect. Now that I'm done selecting my colors, I can switch to color layout. Go to the bottom here and try different color layouts and see what results you get. The first color layout switches your whole logo to the primary color. The second layout switches the icon to the primary color and the text to black. And the last one is the opposite, which is the text into the primary color and the icon into black. I think I'm happy with the second one. Now let's go into the layout options. There's various layout options that are available to you. The central alignment, the left alignment, the left stacked, the right alignment, and the right stacked. I quite like the right stack of this logo. Because of this straight line here, it seems like a perfect match. Let's see if we can make this work. Let's go back into the icons and tighten the space using the icon and text space option. Next up, I'll go into text and tweak the text line height. I can also tweak text spacing if I want. I can choose various alignments such as left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. I think, of course, in this instance, right alignment is the perfect option for this. Now let's preview the brand one more time. I think the text and icon space can be a bit tighter. Perfect. I'm really happy with this. Let's go ahead and export. Simply go to Save Logo and click on OK. In the pop-up, simply select Leave. Once you're done saving your logo, you'll be redirected to the My Files area under the Logos tab. As you can see, the logo that I just created is available here. If I already have a logo design, I can always upload it via here by selecting File and then selecting Upload. The logo has to be any one of these file types, either SVG, PNG, or JPEG. Don't forget that after exporting the logo, we also have a saved color palette. This is the Owl's Den color palette that we just exported using the logo maker. Here's another color palette that I created earlier. It's very easy to create your own custom color palette. Simply go to the top right hand corner, click create a new color palette, add a palette title, and select a color for each swatch. As you can see, I've already created my custom color palette. Now that we've got a logo and a color palette, we can go ahead and use this in our designs. In the next video, I'll show you how to apply your brand to any template by using the branded feature and various other techniques. See you in the next video.